Hi guys, welcome to my page. So guys, today I want to show you guys all the products that I'm using for my hair. Okay, so the first one I have is this Tresemme shampoo. This is the one I'm using. It says 0% parabens, mineral oils. Okay, so it's very good for your hair. It softens the hair, doesn't leave your hair dry. So this is the conditioner. So I'm using the silky and smooth conditioner. Okay, also 0% parabens and mineral oil. So these two is a nice combo for your natural hair. So moving on. So after that, I do use deep conditioner for my hair. Sometimes I use DIY, but this is the product I'm using when I'm not using DIY conditioner. So I'm using Mega Growth. It contains protein, so that's the actual reason I'm using it, because my hair is high in porosity, so my hair needs protein. So that's why I'm using this. So if your hair is high in porosity, I suggest you use this product. It's very good. Okay, so after that, the next thing is leave-in conditioner. So I'm using Cantu leave-in conditioner. This one is with the argan oil. It also they have other version of it, the one with shea butter and so on. So I do use one of shea butter, but this one is argan oil and it's very good. It softens the hair. Okay, it leaves your hair moisturized for like 4 days before you remoisturize it. It's very good. So for my butter, I do use this serum butter I got from Shandy Naturals on Instagram. So it's very good. It contains some herbs. And essential oil. So when I'm not using this one, I do use Blue Magic. I've been using it for a long time, and the thing is still big, so it's very good to seal in the moisture. It's very nice. I have my hair oils. No, let me get it. So guys, this is the oil that I'm using from Shandy Naturals. So it's herbal oil treatment, multi-purpose. You can use it as a pre-pore, for scalp treatment and so on, but I'm just using it to massage my scalp and leave it there. So it's very good. It contains olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, castor oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E, herbal oil, can be infused oil, and essential oil blend. So it's very good. This one is for my hairline. Okay, so I'm using, it says strong growth thick. So this one is just for my hairline, because I had lots of shedding going on during postpartum. So this is what I'm actually using to grow them out. So it's very good as well. So that's all for this video. Please, if you like this video, and give it a thumbs up. Also remember to follow my page, share it out. Okay, share this video out to reach more audience. Thank you, love you so much.